Namaste everyone, welcome back to your own channel Rising Partner. My name is Sheetal and in today's video I am going to share an amazing job opportunity with all of you. Because in this video I am going to share a work from home job and this is with Top Hire, and Top Hire is hiring for permanent work from home job. So because COVID is all around, so this will be a permanent work from home job if you are looking for a work from home profile now. So guys, in this video I am going to share what will be your job profile, what will be the eligibility criteria and how you can apply for this job. But before that guys, I have a request. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos and you will be able to apply for those jobs. So let's get started and let's discuss about the profile now. So guys, before we discuss about the profile, let me just take you through the basic details of company. So Top Hire is a online recruitment company. So guys, it's not a consultancy, it's online recruitment company. So what exactly happen is, so this platform is for a candidate also and this platform is for the employer also. So the top technical candidates come and put their details here, register themselves on this platform, and the companies can come and pick up the candidates for their company. So this is the platform of Top Hire. So what will be your profile guys? So guys, you will be working for marketplace growth team. So what will be your work? So guys, if you will be selected, you will be a part of Top Hire and you will be contacting to the potential job seekers, potential candidates, and the candidates will be from the technical background and the database will be given from the company. So you will be contacting them, you will be pitching them about Top Hire, you will be briefing them about Top Hire and you will be convincing them to get them registered on the Top Hire. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria, that means who can apply for this job. So guys, this is a permanent work from home job. So anywhere from India you can apply for this job. You should have a laptop or desktop for this profile because the work will be obviously online you will be working. So you should have your laptop or desktop, also the internet connection. Candidates from any education background can apply here. If you are a 10th pass, if you are a 12th pass, if you are undergraduate, if you are graduate, if you are postgraduate, anybody can apply here. So there is no bar about the qualification. And also there is no bar about the work experience. So if you are a fresher, you don't have any work experience, you have never worked anywhere, then also you can apply here. The one very important thing is guys, that your English communication skills should be excellent because you will be contacting to those candidates who are already working at a top level. Those candidates who are the top technical candidates. So you will be contacting them, you will be convincing them so that they will get registered on your website. So your communication skills should be up to the mark, then only you will be able to convey your things to the candidate. So your communication skill should be good, should be up to the mark, should be excellent. This is the only requirement they have. So guys, if you have good communication skills, good English communication skills, you can apply here. This is 5 days working, you will get 2 off, and this is Monday to Friday working. So you will be getting Saturday and Sunday fixed off, and this will be your 9-hour shift. So in this 9 hours, 1 hour break will be there. So exactly your working hour will be 8 hours. So guys, altogether it's a very good opportunity for those candidates who are looking for work from home, who has good communication skills, who are looking for 5 days working. So guys, this can be a complete package of your dream job. And guys, let's talk about how you can apply for this job. So I am giving you a link in the description box, and this is the link of a Google form which you need to fill if you want to apply for this job. So you will have to click on that link, and once you will click, you will see a Google form and there are some details which you need to fill up. So I'll just take you to my computer screen. I'll show you what kind of details you need to fill up.
Guys, once you will click on the link, you will see this page. So you can see here that the opening is also mentioned here, that what profile they are hiring. Once you will go below, you will see this form where you will have to mention your email ID, your full name, your mobile number and your work experience. If you have any work experience, you can choose here. Otherwise, you can mark fresher. Are you currently working or not? And if you're working or already have experience, you need to mention the company's name. You need to mention about your designation. You need to mention about your enhanced salary, your expected salary, and the date when can you join. And here you need to add file, you need to add your resume here. Once you will click on add file, from your laptop or desktop or your mobile, you will be able to add your resume. So you need to add your resume here. You need to mention about your qualification, and if you have any question, you can write your question here. and then you need to click on submit. So once you will click on submit, your resume and your form will be submitted.
So guys, that's how you can apply for this job. Guys, once you will fill the form and your profile will be shortlisted, then you will get a mail from the company side regarding your first round of interview. So make sure you keep a tab on your email. So guys, let me just take you through the interview rounds, because once your profile will be shortlisted, your interview will start. So now I'll tell you how many rounds will be there and what kind of rounds will be there. Guys, first round will be voice note task, where you will be given a question and you will need to answer that particular question. You need to record your answer and you will have to send that voice note to the company or to the interviewer. So guys, once you will clear your first round, there will be a second round, and that will be a calling task. A real-time task will be given by the team and you will have to perform that task, and this task will be given to you to understand about your potential, about your skills, so that they will get to know whether you are fit for the profile or not. So guys, once you will clear your second round, there will be another round, that is a final round,
And that will be with the co-founder of the company.
and that is a Zoom call round. And about this, the team will get back to you. They will brief you about your schedule and all. And I'm sure lots of you are going to take benefit out of this video, because this is a very good opportunity. You will not have to work in weekends time. You will be working on the weekdays.
And if we will talk about the salary package, you will be getting between 15 to 30,000 in hand.
So it will be depending on your interview, how you will perform in your interview. So a salary package will be up to 30,000. So guys, I hope in this video I have shared the maximum details about this particular job, and I'm sure this video will gonna help lots of candidates. And you can share this video with your friend circle, with your relatives also. People who are already looking for job, this can be a good opportunity for them, because this is a permanent work from home job. So guys, if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. I'm Sheetal, signing off for today. Thanks for watching.